The chainsaw engine is nothing but an air pump. If the filter is dirty, the run is going to be rich. The spark plug is the main event in the two-cycle combustion process. Spare starter rope. Have you ever tried to push start a chainsaw? Not gonna happen, so pack a spare cord, fuel cap, and fuel filter spares. Fuel is a major issue, and dirty fuel can spoil a great sawing experience. A spare filter is a good measure. An assortment of screws. This is a safety feature that protects you, chain speed, or torque. Important, the retaining E-clip and washer are in the right place. Guide bar and saw chain, like having a second saw. Last and not least, a carb screwdriver and a bar scratch. And don't forget, in case you get caught out, you may need an old toothbrush for a little cleaning.